Hello guys, welcome to my Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to make Instagram thread account private. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to make your thread account private, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to open the thread app. After that, just tap on your profile icon. Tap on top right side corner two horizontal lines. After that, you can see your privacy. Just tap on this privacy. In this, you can see first option, private profile. You have to enable this option. Switch to private account. Only approved followers will be able to see and interact with your content. Just tap on OK and your thread account will be private. That's it guys. So in this way you can make Instagram thread account private. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.